If you need to resend a Mailchimp campaign, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest way to do it step by step. This is especially helpful if you want to send the same email again, make a few quick edits, or update the recipients and subject line before sending. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to replicate an old campaign and resend it without starting from scratch. If this video helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're inside your account, look at the main dashboard and find the campaign section. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, including drafts, sent campaigns, and anything you may want to reuse later. Next, click on Campaigns to open your campaign list. Here, you'll see all of your previous emails in one place. Find the campaign that you want to resend. When you locate it, click the three-dot menu next to that campaign. This menu gives you more options for managing that email. From the drop-down menu, choose Replicate. This is the key step because Mailchimp doesn't just resend the exact same campaign instantly in most cases. Instead, it creates a copy of that campaign that you can edit and send again. Replicating is the safest way to resend because it gives you full control over what stays the same and what changes. After you click Replicate, Mailchimp will open a copied version of the campaign. If you want, you can change the name first so it's easier to identify later. Giving your campaign a clear name can help keep your account organized, especially if you send similar emails often. Now go through the campaign settings and edit anything you need. You can update the recipients, adjust the subject line, change the email content, or make other small edits before sending. This is the perfect time to fix any outdated information, refresh links, or tailor the message for a new audience. Once everything looks good, review the campaign one more time. Make sure the recipient list is correct, the subject line is accurate, and the message displays the way you want it to. Double checking before sending can save you from mistakes and help you deliver a more polished email. When you're ready, click Send. Your replicated Mailchimp campaign will go out to your chosen audience, and that's how you resend a campaign in Mailchimp without rebuilding everything from the beginning. If you found this guide useful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.